A fresh wave of excitement is sweeping through the creator community, and this time it's all centered around newly surfaced testing footage of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. As more details come to light, it's becoming increasingly clear that this isn't just a routine generational update. From the very first look, the Pocket 4 feels like a bold rethinking of what a compact gimbal camera can be. Subtle but important design changes immediately stand out, hinting that DJI may be preparing something far more powerful than anything we've seen in the Pocket lineup so far. What makes this leak especially interesting is how dramatically it challenges earlier assumptions. Many creators thought they already had a good idea of what the Pocket 4 would look like and how it would perform. But this new footage tells a very different story, one that suggests DJI has quietly shifted direction. The result is a device that could bridge the gap between pocket-sized convenience and more advanced camera systems, making it one of the most talked about upcoming releases in the compact camera space. One of the first things that stands out in the leaked testing footage is the physical build of the gimbal. Compared to the Osmo Pocket 3, the gimbal arms on the Pocket 4 appear noticeably thicker and more solid. This isn't a minor cosmetic tweak. It strongly suggests DJI has reinforced the stabilization system to support a heavier and more capable camera module. A stronger gimbal usually means better stabilization, especially during fast movement, walking shots, and dynamic action scenarios where micro-vibrations can ruin footage. The camera block itself is another major talking point. Its shape and proportions resemble a downsized version of DJI's Air Series camera design. This immediately raises questions about how much imaging power DJI has managed to fit into such a compact body. Earlier leaks painted a very different picture, showing a horizontal dual-lens layout with both lenses placed side by side. However, Igor's latest footage completely overturns that idea. The Osmo Pocket 4 is now seen with a vertical dual-lens stack, where one lens sits directly above the other. This design choice is not just visually striking, but also technically intriguing. A vertical lens arrangement opens up several possibilities. One theory is that DJI may be adapting a wide-angle lens inspired by its higher-end drone cameras, scaled down with a smaller sensor to maintain portability. Another possibility is a secondary lens offering optical zoom, potentially reworked into a practical mid-range zoom rather than a long focal length. This would give creators more flexibility when framing shots without relying entirely on digital cropping. There's also growing speculation that DJI has designed an entirely custom dual camera system specifically for the Pocket 4, rather than borrowing directly from existing products. The fact that this design doesn't match previous Pocket models makes this theory even more compelling. Another major highlight from the footage is how clearly the Pocket 4 seems optimized for vertical content creation. The camera is shown being used vertically, which strongly suggests DJI is targeting creators who focus on short-form, social-first platforms. Vertical shooting has become essential for modern content, and having a camera that's natively designed for this format, without awkward cropping or workarounds, could be a huge advantage. The side-by-side comparison footage is equally revealing. Seeing the Osmo Pocket 3 and Pocket 4 mounted together makes it obvious that DJI is carefully evaluating real-world performance improvements. Areas like exposure balance, color science, stabilization smoothness, and rolling shutter behavior are clearly under scrutiny. Even with early prototype firmware, the Pocket 4's display already looks different. The screen appears brighter, with cleaner contrast and a more refined image preview. This alone can make a big difference for creators who rely on the screen to judge exposure and colors on the go. The user interface also looks slightly unfamiliar, not fully matching DJI's standard layout. This strongly indicates that the device is still in a development phase, with software that hasn't been finalized yet. That's important, because it suggests there could be even more refinements coming before the final release. Taken together, the hardware changes, camera redesign, and visible image improvements all point toward a significant leap rather than a small iterative update. All signs point to the Osmo Pocket 4 being a major step forward rather than a minor refresh. The reinforced gimbal, redesigned camera module, vertical-first usability, and early signs of improved image quality collectively suggest that DJI is aiming to redefine expectations for pocket-sized cameras. This feels like a product designed not just to keep up with modern content trends, but to actively shape them. While the footage we've seen is clearly from a testing phase, it already paints an exciting picture of what's coming. If DJI continues refining what's shown here, the Osmo Pocket 4 could become one of the most versatile tools available for creators who want serious performance in a truly compact package. For now, anticipation continues to build, and the Pocket series appears to be on the verge of its most significant evolution yet.